Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado LT in a black exterior. This one is powered by a 2.8-liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get this black interior cloth seats with our manual and power seat controls here on the left-hand side. Up top we have our leather-wrapped steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system. Right below that we have our climate controls, and further down you'll find our aux port and our USB charge ports. We also have additional storage down below, our shifter, 2 cup holders, additional storage here in the middle, and additional storage here in our middle console with our USB port. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows. To go alongside our adjustable side mirror controls, and by our handle we have our power locks. Moving along to our steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. And on the left hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings and our forward collision alert. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And last but not least, of course, we have sunglass shade up top. In the back, you still get these black interior cloth seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. You get 2 USB charge ports, additional storage down below, cup holders here along the middle, as well as our sliding rear window. And last but not least, we have additional storage underneath. You'll find our lever here at the bottom, left or right, depending on what side of the vehicle you're on, for additional storage. Checking out the exterior here on our LT, of course, we have our Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our grille with chrome accents. Moving along down to the side, you'll find our Wild Peak tires on our black rims, Duramax diesel badging along the side of the vehicle here, as well as our black running boards down below, chrome accents along our windows, a little bit of a tint here in the back window. You get a hard top tonneau cover on the back, 4x4 decals along the side of the box here. And last but not least, we have our gold Chevy bow tie badge at the back with our spare tire underneath. Inside the bed, plenty of storage and space, hooks to strap in anything you might need. And that is our 2017 Chevrolet Colorado LT in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.